Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we will discuss the ADC resolution numerical, how to convert the ADC value into the voltage and vice versa, voltage value into the ADC value. So there is a formula, there is a relation between the ADC value and voltage value. So we will discuss on this. So today we will discuss about the 10-bit ADC. So 10-bit ADC value will be 1024, but we will start from the 0. So it will be 0 to 1023. Okay, here we put the ADC value and here voltage. Voltage. Okay, so at the ADC value, because ADC value will be from 0 to 1023. So 0 at ADC value 0, voltage will be 0. At ADC value 0, at ADC value 0, voltage will be 0. And ADC value 1023, ADC value will be 5 volt. We are taking the voltage from 0 to 5 volt. You can take any voltage as per your um, project or your circuit. Okay. Here, suppose this is the 3-bit ADC. Here is the 3-bit ADC. Okay. So we want to measure the 0 to 5 volt with the help of 3-bit ADC. So how many quantization, how many step will be there? 8 from 0 to 7. Okay. At the 000, it will be 0 volt. And at the last point 7111, it will be 5 volt. But in the middle value, we don't know the middle value, this value, how we will calculate the this ADC value, how much voltage is there here, yeah, on this ADC value how much voltage is here. So for this we will use the formula. Okay, if now we use the 10-bit ADC in place of 3-bit ADC, so how many step will be there? 1024. Okay, and 0 step will show the 0 volt, and 1023 step will show the 5 volts. So here will be 1024 step, but here 0 to 1023 it will be also 1024 steps. Okay, so now suppose we have now we have this 500 value, ADC value is 500. So corresponding this 500 value, this what will be the ADC voltage? We have to calculate the ADC voltage. This is the total voltage. Okay, and we have the ADC value this. On this value voltage will be 5 volt. On this value 0 volt. At 0 ADC value voltage will be 0 volt, 0 volt. But we have taken the middle value, any middle value from 0 to 1023. Okay, so we took 0 or 500 value. So corresponding this 500 value, what will be the voltage at this step? So what will we do? We will do the cross multiply. Okay. So in cross multiply, we will get the 5 volt into 500 and 1023. Okay. Here will be the value, voltage value will be 2.44 volt with the 500, with the respect to 500. Okay, like this you can calculate the other values, other middle values. Okay, now we can also calculate this formula with the help of 3-bit ADC. You can put the in place of 10237. Okay, or here you can put any 3 value or 4 value, whatever you want to calculate, and then you can cross the multiply, you will get the with respect to 3-bit ADC. And same thing apply in the 12-bit ADC. In the 12-bit ADC, what will be the value? Value will be ADC value will be ADC value, maximum value will be ADC 12-bit ADC 2 की power 12 equal to 4096, but it will start 0 from 0, so it will be 4095. Okay, so you can take any middle value from this to this, and like this, if we are using the 5 volt voltage, 0 to 5 volt, so 0 will show the 0 voltage and 4095 will show the 5 volt. And if you want to calculate the like this middle value like 500 something or 1000 or 2000, so you can put the that value in place of this, and you can put the formula like this, you will get the ADC value. And in some question, uh, this voltage is given, and this voltage is given, and this resolution value is given, and you have to calculate this value. So if three things is known, then you can calculate the fourth thing. So finally, what is the formula of this? Formula is ADC voltage, major ADC voltage. You can calculate like this: major ADC voltage and ADC value, okay, and reference voltage into reference voltage. Reference voltage will be 5 volt divided by ADC resolution. ADC resolution क्या होगा? This is, okay, so ADC resolution. So this is the formula of this voltage, this voltage, and ADC value, this is ADC value, non ADC value, and reference voltage. Reference voltage is maximum signal voltage, yeah, this is 5 volt. So you can calculate the like this. So I hope you got something from this video, and if you have any comments, please comment me. I will solve that your question. And if you learned something from my video, please like and subscribe my video and channel. Thank you.